Hi, today I'll show you how to change or replace the ear pad cushions for Yamaha HPH 100, 50, 150, or HPH 200 headphones. As usual, this guide will also work with other headphone models. The sad part is that Yamaha doesn't sell replacement ear pad cushions and forces us to buy new headphones, but we're not going to fall for that. We'll save some money. You can find replacement ear pads on a web page. The link is in the video description. You can also choose the color you want. To remove the old ear pad, simply put your fingers behind it and pull it off. Warning, it's 10 times harder to put them back on. Now remove the other ear pad. When the new ear pads arrive, it's time to put them on. Stretch the pad edge. The main idea is to pull the inside edge of the ear pad into the headphone gap. It's not easy, but it can be done. Once a small part of the edge is pulled in, hold it with your fingers to stop it from falling out. At the same time, pull in the rest of the edge. Once the ear pad is in place, you can rotate it to ensure it's properly installed. Now do the same with the other ear pad cushion. Carefully watch my hands and you'll succeed. When everything is in place, rotate the ear pad to make sure it fits properly. And here's the result. This is a great life hack because you can revive your old working headphones. I hope this simple guide helped. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to support me. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next DIY.